my name is Brooke with WTI. We've all heard breast is best, but we don't have to be a baby to get those amazing nutrients. This is called Lea Origin Pure HMO Prebiotic Powder. What's so amazing about this, although it is not from breast milk or from humans, there is an ingredient, oligosaccharide, that's found in breast milk. So they fermented that for us as an adults. And it's so wonderful because taking care of my gut has given me an overall healthier lifestyle and made me feel overall much better. I like that my immune system has been up. One of the other benefits of taking care of my gut is my cognitive health, and there's new studies about gut and brain health, how they're linked together. I appreciate this powder here because it dissolves so quick and it doesn't get clumpy. If you have any kind of flatulence in the beginning, I noticed for me that's quickly subsided and went away. I also appreciate that it has no taste and I can add it to any beverage knowing that I'm getting the health benefits without having to suffer through a terrible taste. As an adult, sometimes we need gut maintenance, and sometimes just taking care of our irritable bowel syndrome or annoying nuisance that's creeping into our adult life, we can kind of ebb that away. I love this very much, and I like taking care of my gut, and it's going to give me a better overall life. And that's my point of view.